Every legend begins with a single sheet of steel, the first step towards pure performance. Precision is the key. Every curve, every line, perfectly cut and joined to form a masterpiece. Here beats the heart. A monstrous V12 engine, built to breathe speed and conquer the road. Luxurious paint and a handcrafted leather interior. Not just fast, but a masterpiece of comfort and style. The union of power and beauty. The Ferrari 80 V2 Superfast, born to dominate.